Hello and welcome to your first basic but essential video. In this video, we are going to look at probably the most popular and useful tool of Photoshop in my opinion, the Spot Healing Brush tool. The Spot Healing Brush tool is basically for removing an object from your picture and simultaneously blending that removal of the object with the surface that object is placed in. I know that sounds quite complicated, but basically the most common use I've seen between amateurs using Photoshop is for removing pimples and dark spots from their faces. But it can also be used for several other things like removing the sun from the sky or removing a person from the background and several other things. So we are going to look at some basic things that we can use it for so that you have an idea of how it is done and how powerful the tool can be. So first of all, open up your desired image. You can do this by going to File and Open, or press Ctrl or Command O on your keyboard. Navigate to your picture and click on it and click Open, or just double click on it. That works as well. Now on the left side over here, click on this icon. As you hover over it, it should say Spot Healing Brush tool. If you click and hold, you will see there are other options available. These are extensions of the Spot Healing Brush tool. For this video, we're just going to keep it basic and work with this one. So once you click on it, you should have a circle. This is your brush for the tool. You can increase and decrease the size of the brush by tapping open brackets for making it smaller and close brackets for making it larger. Alternatively, you can use this window here to increase and decrease the size. In this window, you can also increase or decrease the hardness. For the purpose of this tutorial, and in most cases, keep the hardness to 100% and the size to whatever you desire. Keep the rest of the settings the same and you're good to go. Now finally onto the image. For removing pimples, just zoom into the picture so that the pimple is clearly visible. You can do this by holding the Alt key and scrolling in and out. Or you can use the zoom tool on the left or the shortcut key Z and then click to zoom in and out. Once you're zoomed in, click on the tool again and make sure the size of the brush is the size of the pimple. And just click on it. Voila, that's it. Alternatively, you can click and brush over and around the pimple as well. The result might be better, it might not. You would have to experiment on it a lot. It just works how you like it to work. So experiment on it as much as you like and you'll understand how it works. Similarly, you can use the tool to remove objects from a skyline, the sun or the clouds, remove people from your pictures, etc. It's a very powerful and useful tool, and extremely basic but essential to your needs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share if you liked the video. Comment down below if you want any other content. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Adios.